Hello everyone and welcome to this video where today we're going to take a look at the affordable drawing tablet, the Huion Inspiroy H640P. Now this tablet looks promising compared to the other competitors, but before we start, I gotta say that I'm not the one reviewing this tablet, but it's going to be my sister, who is a seasoned artist. Like, she has been drawing for a really long time and she knows her stuff. So with that, almost all of the opinions here are coming from her after using the tablet for about a month or so. And yeah, the reason she's not the one talking right now because she's camera shy and I'm here as her voice today. But you can of course check out her amazing stuff in her Instagram page with this ad right here or the link in the description. Anyway, let's start with the design. As you can see, this lap right here is quite compact and light. The tablet itself is made out of plastic that is decently solid for its price, and it's 14.7 by 26 cm in dimension with a super thin body of 8mm, so that does make it quite portable to carry around for you who likes to travel, especially with it being 277 grams. I can say it's really light for something this size, and that's thanks to its batteryless design. For the color, it's a nice matte kind of black, but sadly it catches fingerprints a lot, so you might have to wipe it every now and then. Not only that, it is also not textured, so it's pretty smooth to draw on. While some people might actually like some texture on their tablet, for her it's alright. On the front there are 4 dots showing off the drawing area, which is about 7.4 inch diagonally, and that's pretty spacious to draw on. And to accompany your drawing, there are 6 buttons on the left that is customizable to your own liking on the software, which we'll talk about later. And for the button itself, it feels alright, kinda loose, but at least it's quite clicky. On the side, it uses a micro USB port which connects to a Type A, but it's quite unfortunate that it's not a Type C, but hey, it's a budget tablet. On the other side, there's a switch here that locks your 6 buttons so you don't accidentally click on it, while on the back there's a matrix dot texture with 4 rubber feet to keep your tablet secure in place. For the accessories and the box itself, we have an unboxing video a while ago, so make sure to check it out for more details. But to keep it short, it comes with a micro USB to a Type A cable, a USB-C OTG dongle, and this very cool pen holder which of course holds your pen, although it's not that stable and wobbles a lot. Not a big problem, but it also opens to reveal a pen nib that you can change or replace your current one. Fun fact, this bottom hole right here can be used to take out the nib, so that's cool. And speaking of that, let's talk about the pen itself. As you can see, this pen is pretty cool. It got this rubberized grip where you hold it, and the rest of the body is made out of gray and black plastic. Not to mention, it's also very light at around 16 grams, and it's very comfortable to hold. Now, the reason that it's so light because it has no battery inside, and that's awesome. The size is also nice, not too big, not too small, and it also has 2 customizable buttons near the grip for your quick shortcuts. Once again, we'll talk about it later. Okay, let's start drawing. Now, this tablet supports over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is nice for this kind of price. For the experience itself, it's smooth, snappy, and quite accurate thanks to its 233 pps report rate. So you shouldn't see much problems drawing accurately on this tablet. And not to mention, its 10mm sensing height and 5080 LPI pen resolution is also a bonus. For tilt, the pen does support 60 degrees, so that's neat. And for the drawing experience, she can say that it's really good with no noticeable latency. For the the surface is glidey and there's not much friction to the pen. So yeah, drawing on this is really nice unless you want that paper texture, which you can just put a sheet of paper on top of it and it still works fine. So the hardware experience is good, but what about the software? Well, for PC, the software driver for this tablet is downloadable through their website, which you can find in the description, and after installing it, you can see a lot of nice features inside, like the first tab where you can customize your 6 buttons on the tablet and 2 on the pen. Like I said earlier, here you can choose whichever keys or commands that you wanna use, and it's pretty helpful to have. Next is the working area, which you can set how the tablet works for your display. And lastly, the most important one, the pressure sensitivity adjustment, where you can tune and dial your curves however you like it to be, like how hard or light you want to press to activate certain pressure. Now, she usually uses the pen tool side app for her drawings, and it's a good experience. All the tablet features are compatible, like the pressure sensitivity, etc. It's all good. If you don't have that app though, other apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, GIMP, Paint Studio, etc. is also officially supported. And not only PCs like Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile devices like Android is also supported. And with those Androids, you can use the included USB OTG to start drawing, which is easy to connect, but sadly it doesn't work that well for her. Like some features just don't work properly. But with that aside, this tablet, the Huion H640P, is really good for its price. And speaking of that, the official price for this tablet is about $40. But of course, you can find it for cheaper, like we did for $30. And yeah, overall this tablet is very nice and will be a good starting tablet for someone who just want to get inside the digital space and start their journey. With this, I can safely recommend buying this tablet, even though it's almost 5 years old by now. Like, all the features and stuff you get is still very awesome for today, and it's under $50. So yeah, that's all I gotta say for this video. I hope this review can help you know what's good and bad about this tablet. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, and if you like to see more of this, click that subscribe button down below so you won't miss it when I do upload a new video. Anyway, peace out.